Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5085M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H260 quick attach front loader. Tractor is in very nice shape. It has a lot of options on it. It's very well equipped for a open station tractor. I'm going to show you those options here. Tractor is 85 horsepower. It's got the cold weather package with the block heater and the preheat. Got the Michelin Radial tires, which are in excellent condition. A couple scratches in the rims here, but overall very nice. It's got the Deluxe Multi-Coupler here for the loader hose connection. Deluxe IOOS platform station. Fender extensions, extra work lights in the fenders there. Again, Michelin Radial tires, 18.434s in the back. It's got a lot bigger rubber than most of the 85Ms do. 540 and 540E PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. It's got triple rear hydraulic plug-ins. Got the button on the fender to raise and lower your 3-point arms. 2 rear work lights, foldable rollover bar. If you're looking for a well-equipped 5085M, this one's got just about every option you can put on it. It's got the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, deluxe suspension seat that swivels, and again Fender extensions with the extra work lights. Tractor also has a 32/16 transmission. Got 4 ranges back here, 4 gears up here which are synchronized, and then the 2-speed power shift there on the shift lever as well. A 2-speed power shift is extremely hard to find in these open station tractors. It's got the loader control. On the console you've got your hydraulic controls, 3-point controls, hand throttle, PTO engagement. To the back here you've got the 540/540E PTO selector. And as you can see, the tractor is in very nice shape. It's been well cared for. We do take trades and also offer trucking and financing on our equipment. If you have any questions, please contact us.